lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If you've never been here before, then welcome. Today I am doing my long awaited, for me at least, Colourpop haul unboxing, try on thingamabob, and specifically surrounding the Zodiac Palette by Kathleen Lights, which I'm super excited about, and this has literally been sitting like on the table and I've been like doing everything I possibly can to not open it. Anyway, make sure that if you haven't seen my Colourpop video I did last week about how I use the Element of Surprise palette, go check that out. I will link it up here. And without further ado, let's just get into this makeup look. Alright, so I have my box here from Colourpop. I ordered everything in this video online. And so what I'm going to do is just talk about the products first, and then we're going to do a whole makeup look using these products. So, opening up the box. So the first thing that we see is this You're My Main Squeeze from Colourpop, which is so cute. I love it. There's just the receipt. Oh, this will tell me how much everything retails for. No, it will not. So, let's start with the main reason that I bought stuff from Colourpop in the first place. The Zodiac Palette by Kathleen Lights. You all probably know Kathleen. She is a YouTuber. I will leave her channel link down below. She has done a collab with Colourpop in the past, but not when I was subscribed to her, so I don't have any of her stuff. But I picked up a couple of things from the Zodiac collection because the whole collection itself was sold out, but she did put more groups of it back on the website. So all that I managed to get my hands on was the Zodiac eyeshadow palette and one of the Luxe lipsticks in the color Scorpio Moon. So let's open up the Zodiac palette. I may have cheated a little bit and opened this up beforehand, but this is just what the palette looks like. On the back it has all of the shades, and then on the inside has a mirror, which is like real great. I like that a lot. So then we have all of the different colors and shades, and they are all named after the signs. We've got all, and they're also listed on the front of the package, which I really like, because as you guys saw in my last video, the Element of Surprise palette doesn't have them listed there, and I was very confused. So anyway, I'm super excited to play around with this. I've watched a few videos of Kathleen's using some looks from this palette, but we're gonna try out one that I create on the go, which might be a disaster. Okay, lipstick in Scorpio Moon. Is that what it's called? Yes. So I picked this shade because I struggle with finding lipsticks that are actually a good shade for me, and I thought that this one would be nice. So this one is in the Colourpop packaging, just all the little stars around, which is so cute, rose gold. Just love it so much. So then this is the shade. I'm not sure how well you guys can see it, but what I will do is insert like a swatch and a zoomed in clip, but it just has little stars around, like embossed into the lipstick, which is so cute, and I just think this will be a really good shade for my skin tone, I hope. Next thing that I picked up, which I've already tested out, you might have seen on my Instagram story, is the Saucy palette. It's a collab with I Love Sarah 2. Don't know who that is. But I really liked the colors, so I'm just going to open it up here. And the packaging is also really cool because it's kind of like a magnet. So you just open it up and then it flips up. It also has a mirror, which is really nice. And then it just comes with these 4 shades here. And I really liked the color palette because I think that these colors will look really good with my skin tone, which they do. My only concern is that it's a little bit cool toned. So I've only tested out these 3 colors right here, Lit, Chic Happens, and Heavy Glam. But I really like Chic Happens all over my lid. It is so pretty, but I'm not going to play with it today because I want to use the Zodiac palette. That was my main reason for buying it, but I will leave this link down below so you can see, and I might do a Ways to Love series on this video on this if you guys are interested. More things. So I picked up this brush. So this is just the E10 brush. It's just like a little pencil brush. I want to use it for shading like under the lash line. I don't have anything really like this, so I just picked that up. This retails for $7 or $6. These are really affordable. And it's very soft, which I like. Then the last thing I picked up, which I'm really excited about, is one of the Colourpop Supernova shadows. So this is an eyeshadow, but it's a liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Dragon. And this is the shade. Like, I'm super excited. It is a metallic-y gold shade for your lid, but it's like an eyeshadow, or a lip. It's like a lip applicator kind of thing. So I will also swatch that for you, but I'm also going to use it on my eyes today, I hope. So that is everything that I picked up from Colourpop. Now let's get into the look. Right, so I've gone ahead and primed my eyelids with the CoverGirl Lid Lockup Primer. And now we're just gonna jump right into the Zodiac Palette. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do, but I think I'm gonna do an everyday look because it is back to school time, and there are some really funky colors in this palette that would make for really funky looks, like this shimmery turquoise and this matte blue. But I think I'm just gonna go with a pretty like basic everyday look because sometimes it's hard to figure out what you're gonna do with these palettes. So let's go in with Libra, which is this pinky shade right here, and I'm just gonna take that and put it all over the lid as like a transition shade. So I'm just gonna tap my brush into it and hopefully get some color, dust it off, and then just put it all over the lids. Oh, this be pretty. Oh, I like. Yes, this is literally, this palette is already so much better than the Saucy one that I tried out before. The shades were really patchy. This shade is so gorgeous. Kathleen, you do a good job. All right, so now that we've got that shade all over the lids, I don't know where we should go next. I think what we are going to do is take the Cancer shade right here, which is a sparkly version basically of the Libra, and I'm gonna just put that all over the center of the lid on the brush. Oh my goodness! Yes! Oh my gosh! Yes! So happy with this shade. I'm gonna wear this literally every day. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit more. And that's like without even wetting your brush, without even using your finger. Like, oh my god. Kathleen, I'm in love with you. All right, blendy blend. Okay. So there's the pink we have on the eyes. Now I need to deepen it up a little bit because right now my eyes kind of look like my skin tone. So we're going to go in with the shade Scorpio, which is this shimmery purpley down here. And I'm gonna take it on the Scorpio on this little brush here, tap it off. And I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of, do I wanna do, I don't wanna do orange. Orange will not look good with this look. So we're just gonna take some of the Gemini goldy color here. I'm just gonna take it on my finger. And we're just gonna put that on the inner corner. Just bring it out a little bit, just to add a little bit more shimmer to the lid. I'm literally just completely making this up as I go along, obviously. Oh. Yes. Okay, so now, ooh, there's a lot of fallout though. That's the one thing I'm gonna say. So now we're gonna take this E10 brush from Colourpop. I'm gonna go back in on that Scorpio shade, the purple. Just tap off my brush a little bit, and I'm just gonna put it in the lower lash line. Ooh, yes. Winter throwback. Okay. And on the other side. My goodness. Then I'm just gonna kind of wipe that off on my hand because I am not that organized to have a brush cleaner, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Cancer again on this brush and just put it towards the inner part of my lash line. This brush is really good. It's like really hitting the lash line, unlike this other brush from Sephora, which is what I normally use, and it doesn't quite get like right up in there. You gotta get right up in there. Just gonna smudge that out. Smudgy. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the big mama, the Supernova shadow. And we're gonna open this baby up. I have no idea how this is gonna go at all. I'm a little scared. Okay, now we're just gonna take that and we're gonna use it as eyeliner, just right above the lashes, as Kathleen would say. Ooh, babe. Ooh. I would say that the applicator is a little thick if you want it just to be eyeliner. So if you really just want it to be eyeliner, you could always take it on a brush. But I'm just experimenting today, so damn, but I really like this. It feels really weird. I've never used like a liquid shadow. Yes, I'm in love with this. Okay, I'm just gonna put it a little bit more. Yes, okay. So now we have the Supernova shadow on the lids. Just gonna try and dry it off a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna put mascara on and then we will do the lips. So mascara is on. Now we are going to go in with Scorpio Moon lipstick. I don't wear lip liner, but you could use like a similar color lip liner for this look. And I'm just gonna take the mirror that's in this lovely palette and I'm just gonna go ham. Okay, so besides the fact that I can't put on lipstick to save my life, I like it. I'm not sure how good it is with this eye look, although the colors are quite similar. My mom's nodding her head that it's a good color. It's kind of drying. Like, I feel like it highlights all of the dry parts of my lips, which I don't really like, but if I didn't have that, it'd probably be good. I will definitely be testing this out, maybe putting some chapstick underneath. And I also, it's very matte, which is, it's a lipstick, so that makes sense, but I think with a little bit of like gloss over it, actually, you know what would be cool? A little bit of this. I'm just gonna try that out. Okay, we're gonna take a little bit of the Supernova shadow and we're gonna just dab that in the middle of the lips to see if it'll give it like a little bit of a sheen. This might be a completely bad idea. Ooh. Ooh. I actually really like this. It makes it look like this Anastasia lipstick I have that I've talked about before. But again, it does like go right into the grooves of my lips, which isn't very nice. But it does give it like a nice, yes, nice goldy sheen. Okay, all right, so that is it for the testing of the makeup. As you can tell, very excited about this baby right here. I love the Supernova shadow, love the brush, and I'm gonna play around with the lipstick and see if I can make it a little bit less drying on the lips. And let's go to the outro. Okay. That's it. Oh, I'm gonna do it separate. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I will leave all the products linked down below, the ones I can find at least. This saucy shadow thing right here, I could not find it because I was looking for all the prices and I could not find this one. But I'll leave them a link down below, and make sure you go check out Kathleen's channel and her other palettes and everything. Let me know if there are any other, excuse me, brands or specific companies that you want me to do this kind of thing with. And yeah, hope you have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below and share and all that fun stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye!